Hey guys, let's see how to add a Tapo C320WS to Alexa. I have the camera already working here with my cell phone, as you can see. So it's good to go. Just make sure first that you can have it on your Tapo app, then you go to Alexa. So everything's working here. Then I just need to come here and bring the Alexa app. There we go. And here I just need to hit this menu to look for this skills and games. Just look for the Tapo app. You're gonna add a new skill for Tapo, right? So there we go, Tapo, that's the one to go. Hit here and enable to use. And then you just need to link the account, okay? Basically here linking the account from your to your Tapo account, okay? So just hit here to confirm, agree and link the account. So it has successfully linked. You hit next. And Alexa start looking for the cameras connected to your network, okay? The first time that you do this, Alexa is going to find your camera. If you added the camera before, Alexa already will have it here, right? So one camera has been added to the Alexa account and then you're good to go. Now you can just ask Alexa to display the camera wherever you want. You just need to finish here whether you're gonna use your camera, or can skip if you want to add it to the group, or skip, it's up to you. Now the camera is added and ready to use, okay? Then I can find it here as my Tapo camera. See here the C320WS Tapo camera, okay? So working. So that's the way you can add a Tapo camera, in this case the Tapo C320WS to Alexa. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.